How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be discussing about question set number 37. So let me give you guys some time to read the question. Just pause the video right and read the questions. And I think you guys have read the questions. So uh, this is the continuation of question set number 31. So in that question we have created a database called Relation Center to keep the relevant information of that inventory details, to be specific, inventory details of that company. And yeah, so here, if anyone is wondering, here's the yard diagram for the Relation Center DB. So here's the customer side and here's the product side. And yeah, and so for these to be answered in this question, you don't need the ER diagram. So for that, and yeah, so let me close this first. So now I open up a new query window. Make sure you have the right connection and the right database selected before running the query. So let me start by answering the first question. So the first question suggests that you need to find the users living in Kurunagar. So to do that, you need the address table, city table, and then the user table. So when we look at those tables, you could see like why I have selected them. So in user table, you get the address ID, which is the foreign key of the address table. And in address table, you get the city ID, which is the foreign key of the city table. So now you can join these three using the foreign keys and the primary keys of each table. So select all from user inner join. Okay, so let me start by step. So you get, by running this, you get this result. Now you can join address table. The primary key of address table is address ID, so it's this, and the foreign key of address table located within the user table is address underscore address ID. So you get this nice result here. And now you can inner join city table with it. So primary key of city table is city ID, and primary key of the foreign key of address city table located within the address table is city underscore city ID. And you get this following city names. So now you could search the users who are in specifically the Kurunagar city, right? Yeah, so where city dot city name must be equal to Kurunagar. So let me copy this from here and paste it here. You specifically have to get like 2 users, right? You specifically have to get 2 users. So, and if you run this, you get the 2 users, Sachitra Vikram Singh and Madara Vanasekara. And yeah, so since we have created the query successfully, now you could you can start the process of creating the view. So the following keywords will be needed: create view, and we can give the view name Kurunagar. I mean, you could give like any other suitable names. So I will give you like Kurunagar users, and you define the keyword as, and yeah, the rest should be normal, and you get the message okay here. And if you refresh this, okay, you get the Kurunagar users, all the information of Kurunagar users. And that answers the first question. Now in the second question, you need to update this view to only get the following columns to be shown. So the user ID should be shown, first name, last name should be shown here. So these are the following columns that are needed to be shown. So let me copy this, and you could use like alt keyword to do updating to this view. So first name, so we should only include like first name, last name, and then the first name, last name, and then the user ID, right? So okay, user ID, and if you run this you get no error here. If you refresh this, and you get only the following people to be specific. So or you could use like create or replace view, and this should run the same. This should execute the same result. So yeah, I think I have answered the second question successfully. So now we have the third and the fourth questions left. And as for this third question, you have to create view to see all the GRNs of earlier show center. So first let me run the query, select all from GRN to get an idea of what I'm dealing with here. So only you get the GRN ID and GRN date, right? But it is said that you need the provider's name too. So to do this, you have to join the user table. So the primary key of user table is user ID, right? So user ID, and then the foreign key of the user table located inside the GRN table is user underscore user ID, which is this table. And let me run this, and you get the following result of the user's first name, last name, and contact number. So you only need the GRN ID, GRN data, and the provider's name, right? So GRN ID, GRN route, GRN date, GRN. This should be GRN. And now user dot first name. So first name, last name are in user table. So that's why I'm doing like user table here. User dot last name. And let me run this, and you get this nice result, filtered result, which have all the required columns mentioned to us by here. And now we could create the view, required view. The view name must be GRN view, right? So we copy this and paste it here, and yeah, and yes. So before running this, you could see like there is no other view as GRN view. So if GRN, so there are any other views named GRN view, so this might not work. So one thing to keep in mind that. So let me run this and refresh it here, and you get the GRN view, and the GRN view we have created. Now okay, I have answered the third question successfully. Now it's time to answer the fourth question. So the fourth question says state that you need to update the GRN view as GRN ID, GRN date, first name, last name, and product name. Okay, so these things we have included, right? Okay, no, not the product name. So the product name is new, quantity is new, price is new, selling price is new. Okay, so Let me open up a query window here and copy this and paste it here and remove this, and yeah, okay, let me cut this for a second. You have to select all, and now you need like product name, right? So product name is in product table, so product. Okay, before connecting product table, let's see the tables here. So product tables ID is product ID, so I think this is in grn item, right? Okay, yeah, so this is in grn item. So first you need to inner join the grn item, so grn item, so grn item on items primary key is grn item id, grn item id, and this should be inside grn item. Okay, no, so the primary so I was wrong before, so the grn, now you need to take like the primary key of grn id, right? And primary key foreign key of grn located in grn item table is grn item underscore grn underscore grn id. So this is this, and let me run this. So these two tables, so where is grn, these two tables are similar, these two columns are the similar columns, as you can see. So inner join, now you could inner join, I mean the grn item, right? Okay. Now you get like the quantity, unit price and selling price, and now you could, okay, now you could join the product table. I forgot the name of the table which I'm supposed to join next. So product tables, primary key is product ID, and this, the foreign key of product table is located in grn item, I think, and yeah, this must be product underscore product ID, and now you get the product name also, which is here. Now you could select all select the required details only. So this is from the user table, so user underscore first name, okay, first you need the grn id, and then the grn date, grn date. Now you need the first name, the supplier, so first name, and the last name of the supplier, and then so these tables are done, these columns are done. So now you need the product name, so product name is in product tables, product name, and then you need like the grn item columns in grn item, so grn item dot quantity, grn item dot selling price, grn item dot unit price, right? Unit price, selling price, quantity, right? Sorry, this. So let me run this. Okay, grn id is here, grn date is here, first name last name is already there. And product name, we have this product name, quantity, unit price, selling price. So here are the columns. So yeah, so here's the query. Now you could create the view. Now you need to update the view, right? So alter view as, so the view we are altering is DRN view. So DRN view, and let me run this and see if anything has changed, and you get these new columns. And yeah, or you could use like this create and replace. In basically that's the same thing. So first one is much shorter. Sometimes this doesn't work, right? So I don't know the reason this isn't working right now. So hmm, that isn't working. Okay. But sometimes it doesn't work for me. Don't know if it is my problem or like the theory. Sometimes if it's a theory issue. So yeah. Now I have completed the fourth question successfully. So here's the answer for the first question. We have created the Kurunagal user view, and then we have updated this view with alt keyboard or create or replace view, and then we created the uh, the GRN view, and then we have updated the following results: product name, quantity, unit price, selling price. So one thing to keep in mind that, so this is how we updated the GRN view. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you again next time. Peace.